Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade using your Thermomix with an easy method. First, you'll need about 3 to 4 fresh lemons, around 150 grams of sugar, and 1 liter of cold water. Make sure your Thermomix bowl is clean and dry before you begin. This recipe is perfect for a hot day and comes together in just a few minutes, giving you a delicious homemade drink. Now, let's get those lemons ready. Cut your fresh lemons into quarters and carefully remove any seeds to avoid bitterness. Place the quartered lemons and the measured sugar directly into your Thermomix bowl. Secure the lid, then blend for just 2 seconds on speed 10. This quick burst will finely chop the lemons and start to incorporate the sugar, preparing them for the next step. Next, we'll add the water to create our lemonade. Carefully pour 1 liter of cold water into the Thermomix bowl with the lemon and sugar mixture. Place the lid back on, then mix for 2 seconds on reverse speed 2. This gentle mixing ensures everything is well combined without further chopping the lemon. Finally, strain your fresh lemonade through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher, pressing down to extract all the juice. Your delicious homemade Thermomix lemonade is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it chilled over plenty of ice. You can also add a few fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint to your glass for a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of flavor. This recipe is so simple, you'll be making it all the time. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Cheers to refreshing drinks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.